I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. So students, it's our 5th week and we are studying subject science of class 8. We have discussed in our previous lecture our chapter number 3, it is biotechnology. So in our last lecture we have discussed the definition of the biotechnology, the technology in which living things are used in different ways to help and benefit human beings is called biotechnology. Application of the knowledge of biotechnology, it applies in different fields like engineering and medicines, etc. It is called technology. DNA replication, in this DNA replicates itself and produces its copies and transfers the heredity material. In spite of that, we have discussed the introduction of gene into bacterium. We also learned a method in which we introduce a useful or the desired genes with the help of bacterial cell. In this, we introduced a desired cell into the plasmid. Plasmid is the DNA-like structure in the bacterial cell. We introduced the desired protein or the desired gene into the plasmid of the bacterial cell and produces its replica and recombinant copies of that desired proteins. We also discussed how do scientists insert genes in a bacterium. Now our today's topic is genetic modifications and biotechnology products. By the name of genetic modifications, we get to know that in this topic we will discuss different modifications in the genes in our genetic system. Like in our last lecture, we have discussed that how we can produce the useful proteins or the desired genes with the help of biotechnology. So in this topic, we will discuss the biotechnology products also. The name written over here on the board, insulin and vaccines. These are the biotechnological products. And how we modify our genetic system, our genetics, we will discuss it also in this topic. So students, this process is used in crops to develop resistance in plants against disease causing microorganisms. It is the change in the gene of organisms using biotechnology techniques is called the genetic modification. It is also known as the GMOs. GMOs are also used to prepare useful and life-saving products such as insulin and vaccine. You can see on the board. As I have written over here that insulin controls the glucose level in the blood and vaccines are what? These are the vaccine can produce the immunity against disease causing pathogens. Pathogens are the germs causes the diseases. Germs like the microorganisms, bacteria and viruses. So how we get the insulin? We can get insulin by genetic modification. The same method is that insulin is produced in the pancreas of the living being. It controls the glucose level in the blood. If pancreas is unable to produce the required amount of insulin, then the level of the glucose in the blood increases. So for this purpose, artificial insulin is injected in the body of the affected person. So insulin in earlier days, the insulin is produced. Insulin was producing by the use of different animals' pancreas. But nowadays, scientists are using the human being's pancreas for the production of insulin. And then insulin is injected through injections at their regular intervals into the blood of the defective person, and the deficiency of the production of the deficiency of insulin causing a disease known as the diabetes. So here's a diagram on the board. We can see this is the pancreas, and we have taken the insulin producing cell. Here is the bacterial cell. In our last lecture, I have told you that why we are using and why we use always bacteria for producing the desired proteins or the desired genes in genetic modifications, because bacteria are easily available and it can grow rapidly. Its rapid growth, because of its rapid growth, the scientist has decided the bacterial cell as the recombinant cell. It can produce its number of copies in short time. So here is the bacterial cell. A plasmid is taken from the bacterial cell. Insulin producing cell from the pancreas is taken. Now the insulin producing cell is introduced into the cell of plasmid or in plasmid part. After that, the recombinant plasmid is introduced into the healthy or the bacterial cell. Now this bacterial cell is known as the GM bacterium, means genetically modified bacterial cell, or the recombinant DNA inserted into the bacterium. Recombinant DNA is that DNA is that plasmid in which we introduced the desired cell of the pancreas, the desired insulin producing cell of the pancreas. So after that, now bacteria is able to reproduce its copies. GM bacterium cell divides, or the genetically modified bacterium cell divides, and now it is able to produce insulin by the bacteria. Here is the process of producing insulin by the bacterial cell is completed. Now I will tell you in brief that I am again telling you that insulin is an animal protein which is produced by pancreas. It controls the glucose level in the blood. If pancreas does not produce the required amount of insulin, the level of glucose in blood rises. This condition is known as diabetes mellitus in humans. The diabetes patients need regular injections of insulin to control glucose level in the blood. The steps of biotechnology techniques for the production of insulin are shown over here. Now the topic is vaccine. Vaccine is what? It is written over here on the board that vaccines can produce the immunity against disease causing pathogens. So vaccine is a material which contains weakened or killed pathogens. Pathogens are the disease causing germs. They may be viruses, they may be bacteria, and is used to produce immunity or the resistance against a disease. When a vaccine is injected into the human body, what happened now in the blood? As I have already told you that vaccines are the killed, or I have already told you that vaccines are the weakened or killed pathogens. What is happened now in the blood of the human beings? Injected into the blood or the body of the human beings, the dead or weakened germs of that disease, of specific disease, now introduced into the blood of that person. So when the dead or weakened germs entered into the blood of the specific person, then the blood is able to produce the antibodies against those killed or weakened pathogens. Now, later on, if the active germs of that disease entered into the blood of the specific person, now those antibodies which are already produced by the injection of the vaccine are able to fight against that active germs of that disease. Nowadays, biotechnologists use bacteria to prepare vaccines. In this way, the human becomes safe from the kind of pathogens. Vaccines for hepatitis B, typhoid, measles, etc. have been developed using biotechnological products. Vaccines for malaria and HIV/AIDS are also developed. Other important life-saving biotechnological products include blood clotting factors and growth hormones, etc. are also producing by using the biotechnology and the genetic modification. The topic is application of biotechnology. Means how and in which fields we are using or we are applying the techniques of biotechnology. So, we are using biotechnology in the field of agriculture for food production and preservation, in health, producing insulin, vaccine, growth hormone, beta-endorphin and interferon. So, I'll tell you in brief that these are the four major areas in which biotechnology techniques are applied, written over the board. Agriculture. In agriculture, how we are using the technique of biotechnology. We are using it to control the pesticides, the herbicides. Herbicides are what? These are the weed killing chemicals. Pesticides, these are the insect killing chemicals. So they are used to eliminate the crop enemies, weeds and insects. It is also used for the better production of different types or kinds of the crops. Scientists insert weed resistant and pest resistant genes into the plants. Such genetically modified plants prepare proteins which are harmful for the weeds and pests. Weeds are what? Weeds are the extra plants produced in the crops. So the major crops that have been modified are maize, they are commonly known as corn, wheat, rice, canola, potato, soya beans, cotton, etc. In spite of that, drought and excessive salts in the soil also have harmful effects on crop productivity. Biotechnologists are working to find genes that can enable crops to tolerate with extreme conditions of drought and excessive production of the salts in the soil, in the fields, in the crops. Now, the food production and preservation. In food production, we are very well known about that, how we are producing the foods of many qualities, of many kinds. It's the use of better quality genes in the animals is producing high yield of meat and milk. We are using biotechnology techniques for the better and excessive production of the milk and meat. For example, milk producing animals like cows are genetically modified. Meat producing animals are also genetically modified, like broiler, goat, sheep. They are also this technique is also used for the preservation of the food. Preservation means preserve the food, save the food for more time. Production of better quality fruits and vegetables and increasing their shelf lives are also due to the use of biotechnological techniques. Here is a topic: health. Biotechnology techniques are also used for curing disease, like the vaccines are producing by the technique of genetic modification and the biotechnology. Different types of hormones are also producing with the help of this technique. The disease for which previously no adequate treatment was available can now be treated using biotechnology techniques. Identification of root causes of the disease, production of medicines for fighting against the diseases and curing and correction of the genetic defects are the major. There are the different health productions written over on the board. Insulin, vaccine, growth hormone are also producing by using this technique. Beta endorphin, these are also the type of hormones, and interferon are also the hormones. I'll tell you that insulin is useful for the diabetes patients. Vaccines, these are used against many infectious diseases. Growth hormone, they are useful for stimulating growth. Beta endorphin is a painkiller drug. Interferon is the antiviral protein. Now, important biotechnological techniques, these are the gene therapy, genetic testing and cloning. First of all, I will tell you about the gene therapy. It's an advanced biotechnological techniques which is used to cure genetic and acquired diseases like cancer and AIDS. Genetic testing. It is one of the latest biotechnological techniques used for genetic diagnosis of inherited diseases. It involves a direct examination of the DNA molecule. It is also used to determine a child paternity or a person's ancestry. Means the diseases, it helps in the diagnosis of the diseases the children get by the parents or the ancestors. Cloning. Cloning is also amongst the latest biotechnological techniques used in various types of genetic analysis. Animals cloning can be used for the production of animals, organs and strong, well-built livestock for quality production of milk and meat. In cloning, the quality type of organisms can be produced like their parents or the ancestors. The last point or the application of the biotechnology is in environment. We are using this technique for cleaning or the proper environment. Environmental problems like pollution, degradation of land and sewage water are also resolved using biotechnology. Microorganisms, for example, genetically modified bacteria are used to treat sewage and refuse. They may also be used to clear spilled oil. Microbes which are used as biopesticides, biofertilizers, biosensors, etc. are being developed using biotechnology techniques. Students, now you have to solve the exercise or encircle the correct options on your book. match the statements on your book. Also, you have to write down the question answers on your science notebooks in very neat writing. The selective long questions are sending at your WhatsApp number. You also have to write down the long questions on your notebook. Along with this, you have to learn all the material of chapter number 3 from the book and the notebook. Thank you so much, students. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.